Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking. Just give me a minute, let me fill up the bowl. I'm filling up the bowl with the colander sitting on top of it so I can just soak the potatoes I'm going to grate. Just give me a second. Okay, we're done. Alright, so when I soak the potatoes directly in there, they will not lose their color and become red. You can use this zucchini, the peeler that we make zucchini, the zoodles. You can use that side or you can use the regular grater, cheese grater. All right, so that's 3 large potatoes. Peel them and just grate them or use the okay, 1 large onion is waiting for me. Next I'm going to slice that onion just like I sliced the potatoes. When I say just the way, that means same size, so if it's bigger pieces they will stick out of it, so I'm just going to make the same. All right, see how easy that was? Okay, that's lemon pepper and black pepper, black or Himalayan pink salt, paprika, coriander, and fenugreek leaves, that's methi, that's dry methi leaves, and 1 cup all-purpose flour. We are not adding any eggs to this mixture, we're just making it vegetarian. Okay, so like I said, you can grate the potatoes this way, use the regular grater and grate the potatoes, or you can use the zoodle peeler. Alrighty, so see, so they just don't turn red if you do it the way I did, like directly into the water. This is what we're making. We're making potato cakes or latke. I made some earlier, look at them. Okay, see how nice the potatoes are? I drained the water. They're nice, no red coloring, nothing, because they didn't oxidize, they went directly in the water. Okay, that's the onion, just almost the same size of slices like the potatoes. Fenugreek leaves, they're very fragrant. And then we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, and we can add all the spices that we just put out. 1 teaspoon pink salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon paprika or red chili powder, and you can put a little more coriander, because coriander is not very fine powder, so you can take more, like 1.5 to 2 teaspoons, and a teaspoon of lemon pepper, and then we will add the water to it to mix the mixture. That's 1 cup of flour, so I'll use 1 cup of water. But don't put everything at the same time, so you don't want it to be too runny. Okay, see, there's no water underneath, and since I soaked the water in salt before, so the potatoes are not going to release too much of water. Heating up the skillet now, and we are going to make the potato cakes or latke. And we can make small size, we can make big size. Just put enough oil to coat the bottom of the latkes or potato cakes. There you go. When it's warm, we can just pour like a small size, medium or big size of potato cakes, but make sure the heat stays medium to low, because if it's medium to high, they will burn right away. They're holding hands, they're not. Let's separate them. Alrighty, okay. Look how nice and pretty that color is. Nice golden brown. If you're making for little bite-sized snacks, that's okay too. But if you are, having them in regular potato cake tikki size, you can make the tikki size. Those 2 are bigger ones. The one in the back are smaller. This one is not done yet. Okay, let's give them another minute. Make sure the heat is medium to low. Alrighty, just put your hand in the mixture, pull out a little bit, and just pour it on top of the skillet. Okay, don't forget to subscribe while you're watching this. Thank you. I appreciate your watching. And if you give me thumbs up, feedback, and subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing those little recipes to you. This is very yummy and it smells so good. Okay, there you go. See how nice that is? Golden from both sides, golden brown, and they are nice and soft from the middle. And they are raw potatoes. You didn't boil them first like we make the regular aloo ki tikki. We boil the potatoes first. This is from the raw potatoes. No eggs, completely vegetarian. Serve it with whatever you want. I have hot sauce, ketchup, yogurt, whatever dipping you like. Sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds, black and white, and serve it.